Welcome to this video, where we'll explore how to change your account type in the Indeed app. Whether you're switching from a job seeker to an employer, or the other way around, I'll guide you through each step clearly. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Indeed app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the top right of your screen, you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the menu. After that, select Settings from the menu. Once you're inside the Settings page, choose Account Settings. Then, find and tap on Change Account Type. Here, you'll be given two options: Job Seeker or Employer. Select the one that best suits your current purpose on Indeed. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes. Your account type is now successfully updated, and you can continue using the app according to your new role. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who might find it useful.